Hello everyone, this is Tech Radius, and today I'm going to show you how to add seconds to your clock in the taskbar in Windows 11. So right here you see the hour and the minute, and we can extend this to seconds as well. To achieve this, go to the start button, click on settings, go to personalization, scroll down to taskbar, scroll down to taskbar behaviors, scroll down to the option saying show seconds in system tray clock uses more power. So this will drain your battery power a bit faster. But let's select, close, go to the taskbar, and now you can see the hour, minute and seconds in your taskbar when displaying the clock. And there you go. That's how you add seconds to your clock within Windows 11. Please like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Take care.